RF RGBW remote controller. Pair with RF receiver. Activate remote. Click learning key. Choose a zone. Touch the color wheel. Light flicker pairing successful. Off. On. White channel. White channel brightness. RGB channel. RGB channel brightness. Built-in 10 light running effects. Speed up. Speed down. Scenes, press and hold down button S until the LED indicator of remote flash once. Choose a zone. Light flicker saved successfully. Scenes, click S key and choose the zone to recall the saved colors.